Hello guys again and welcome back to another video of Disassembly. This is a curiosity day and today we're gonna find out how it looks, these tools inside. You remember this tool, I have made the test and the reviewing how it's working and it's working very good, it's performing very good. You can check the video right in the corner or down below to the description. For time to time, I open some of the tools and just to check out how they look inside, what part they've got. And I think now it's the time to do this kind of job at this tool. Well, to open it, we need to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. Now let's see if we got any screws here. No, we don't have any screws here. Well, let's move on. Well, I think that was all the screws. We've got a lot of grace inside. Here is the gear shaft. And we've got an pin. Okay. Well, here we've got the on-off switch, left and right, connection for power. There is the speed control. Now, as I can see, this plastic is one plastic united together. It is not two pieces, that means you cannot separate it. You can pull out all the motor, but we need to disassemble these 4 screws that they are holding the brushes. I'm not going to do that, the motor is inside. Now, here is the control unit, nice and well attach it in this hole inside, very nice. You can see how it looks. Cables are connected at the motor, they go inside from here. Brushes, as I said, there are the brushes, they are coming in contact with the motor. Nice. And from this side, you can check how it is. As I said to my reviewing and testing video, I think it's very good manufactured, very well manufactured. And from the parts that are inside in this unit, I can judge that and say, yes, it is good manufacture. Let's look in here. Nice. Okay, nice. Now we know how it looks inside, more or less, except the motor that it fits very well at this plastic. I'm not going to take it out. Well, let's assemble it again. well these two screws until I'm going to install the front part. It will hold the back. Nice. There's one pin here. I need to put this on the other side. And there it is. Fits very well. There we are. Take one screw. And that was all, guys. Now, well, let's plug it in to see if it works. Yep, it is working. Well, guys, that was all about the disassembly of this tool, and now we've got the knowledge how it looks inside, and we know. Good parts, good manufacturer, I like it. Now you're smarter, guys. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget, right in the corner and at the description you can check the review and the testing that I made for this tool. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. And sir, why not? Maybe someone it will need to check this video. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.